Okay, in this video, we're going to compute the equation. Try to find the equation of the line passing through this point, negative 1, 3, and parallel to 3x minus 2y equals 3. Okay, so first we need to recall that to obtain the equation of a line, all we need to have is a slope and a point that the line goes through. Then we can use one of several techniques to get the equation of the line. So now if we plot what's given, just to visualize what we have, this is the given line right here. And this is the point negative 1, 3. So we're going to have a line that's greenish. That's going to go like this. It's going to be parallel to this red line. What is the equation of that line? Okay. That's our task. All right. So also, you want to recall that parallel lines have the same slope. Right? They have the same slope, different intercepts. This one here's one intercept, here's the other intercept. Okay. Otherwise, they'll sit on top of each other. So let's have a strategy to tackle this. First of all, we need to get the slope of the given line, the one in red above, then set the slope of the parallel line equal to the slope. Again, remember that parallel lines have the same slope. Use the slope and the point negative 1, 3 to get the equation of the line, the parallel line, either by slope-intercept form or point-slope form. We're going to do both so that you guys can see how it's done both ways. So the first thing we need to do is get the equation and get the slope of the line. So we're given, so here, get the slope of the given line. So we're given 3x minus 2y is 3. Isolate y. Plus 3. So y equals divided by negative 2. Okay. So this one has a slope. So slope of this line is 3/2. All right. So now we can say that the slope of the parallel line is 3/2. They're equal. They have the same slope. So number one, we'll use point slope form. To get the equation of the line. So what is the point slope form? Point slope form says that y minus y0 equals mx minus x0. Here, m is the slope, x0, y0 is a point on the line. All right, so let's go ahead and we know what that point is. So in our case, m equals 3/2 and x0, y0 equals negative 1, 3. All right, let's now plug things in. Y minus 3 equals m 3/2 x minus x0, which is -1. All right, so y, bring the -3 over, comes a +3. 3/2 x, multiply these out. We have a +1, right? This is a +1 right there. Plus 3/2 plus 3. So this is 3/2 x plus 9/2. This is the equation of the line parallel to the given line. As you can see, they have the same slope, different intercept. So that was using the point slope form. How about use the slope intercept form? To get the equation of the line. What's the slope intercept form? Well, it's right here. That's how it is. So we write it in general. Y equals, again, mx plus b. Of course, I know what m is. You know, from above, m equals 3/2. Now, since -1, 3 is on the line, then if we plug it into this equation, the equality will hold. Then it is, you know, then and it's a solution to this equation. So let's go ahead and plug 3, -1, or -1, 3 in here, and then solve for b, okay? Then plug into y equals 3/2 x plus b, and solve for b. That's our only unknown, because y is 3 and x is -1. So let's do it. 3 equals 3/2 times -1 plus b. Bring this over. All right, so we have here 3 plus 3/2 equals b, or 9/2 equals b. So now we can go and rewrite the equation. So y equals mx plus b equals 3/2 x plus 9/2. That is the equation of the line, okay? So of course, obviously, we have to get the same equation. And let me just show you something here. So if you bring this down here and make it a little bigger, this is the plot of the new line, the parallel line, right there. See that? So the green line is the parallel line. It's going through -1, 3. It has this equation, 3x over 2, or 3/2 x plus 9/2, and it's parallel to the given line. So if you plot them both geometrically, we see that they are parallel. Okay? I hope this helps. This is it for this problem.